that, Jared.
And
You're
she was
making a mistake.
Oh!
Foul!
Oh my gosh!
Amy spilled!
So, Mom, I asked
It's
This is like an old school pocket camera.
Wait, is that for Mom? That one's for
Yeah.
all the time.
That one's cool. It's like
I was like, I heard the FDLP.
Oh man, you heard tipsy.
no, I'm not. Why? Because you're going in and out, in and out. I'm so drunk.
You just had that glazed look on your face just now.
Okay, anyway.
Much better.
This is the story.
We'll see this.
So I asked this guy, I'm gonna
Oh, sorry.
he was in the middle of his man. I was like, can I help you? Did you find everything all right today? And he goes, oh yeah, I had a great time. Yeah, this is a great store. Yeah, he was like, this is a great store. He was buying Christmas cards.
Okay.
$1. He was like, this is a great store. I had a really good time. Thank you. I was like, oh, I'm glad you enjoyed yourself. I'll go